Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I think this is my October Ipsy bag, so let's get in it and give it a look-see real quickly. Most of my whine in my unboxings for October is I fell so far behind because of the FabFitFun spoilers that I missed some of my boxes. So we're going to go through this really quickly, check it out, just see what I got. One of the saddest parts about this is I know that in not opening this, I missed out on one of the cutest bags that I think that they've ever done. Look how cute that is. That is the October bag that was so on point for October. From the minute I saw these, this one and the one that came with our plus, they were so cute. If you have any interest in after seeing this, I will put my link below. You can go over and check it out. This is the October Pretty Wicked. That's what the card looked like. On the inside, we have the products that I received, and in theory, I chose one of these, so let's work that out. It's become the new game on the channel. Let's see what Kathrin thinks she picked and what she really picked, and I will let you know here if I was right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Did you guys see this? This is like a green lipstick pull. How cute is that? And then a little bit of green around the zipper up top. So cute. All right, off the top, I have a Whey Detox shampoo. I have this in full size. We got this, I think, in a FabFitFun, and it came with a little scrubby. I love it. So I love the thoughts of having this for travel because even though it's a detox shampoo, let's be frank, it's just a shampoo. And it smells so good. I love the scent of this. Is it sealed? It's sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it sealed because then it'll be safer to get where we're going for travel. But I love this Whey Detox shampoo. It works great and it smells great. This says Celeb Hair Guru Jen Atkin created this buzzy hair care line we can't get enough of. Whether you have coarse curls or stick straight strands, this clarifying shampoo will remove excess oil and buildup from your hair and scalp with detoxifying apple cider vinegar. It's just a little sample, but if it was a full size, it would have a $30 value, and they say use it once a week in place of your regular shampoo for a deep cleanse. And I have to tell you right now, I have no idea which one of these I picked, so I'm just going to tell you right here. I'm not going to guess because I like all of these products. One, I don't think I probably picked this one, but I could have picked any of the others. Next on my hand, I have the Oma Batter Boom. And that is what it looks like. And it's the Oma by Sharon C. Batter Boom Au Naturel Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. This innovative formula is proof that plant-based mascaras are just as good as the conventional kind. It's made with a special brush and natural ingredients like argan oil and castor seed oil to make lashes longer, thicker, and stronger. Plus, it comes in recyclable packaging too. If it were full-sized, it would only be $8. What a bargain. Well, let's check out the brush that they were bragging about. Look at the size of the brush that came out of that tube. That is a big brush. It doesn't have that usual mascara scent. It almost has no scent at all. I'm going to try this. I am absolutely going to try this. I just ordered, and I'm going to show them just over on my Instagram. I'm just going to take them out of the bags. I just ordered some Thrive products, and it's not really enough for a haul, so I thought I'd do it over on Insta. So if you don't follow me, it's just at Kathrin McCarty on Insta. I'm very happy to have this. Next out, it is a Hot Cocoa Balm Eyeshadow Quad by Basic Beauty. This is the one that I said I probably didn't choose. I like a lot of color choices in my eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna keep my hands far away from it. I'm gonna show you guys this and tell you about it, but then I'm gonna tuck it away so that I can give it away. This says that it is full-sized and a $22 value. Inspired by hot cocoa, this versatile eyeshadow palette contains 4 shimmer and matte natural shades like rich chocolatey browns and soft creams that will help you create everything from a low-key look for day to a glam smoky eye for night. The only matte is this one here in this corner up top. The other 3 are shimmers. That is what that looks like. I'm going to close that right up and set it aside because it's very neutral. I've had a lot of neutral palettes lately, and I'm just going to go ahead and pass that one along. Next, I have a Lottie Slay All Day in Yes. This does look like something I would pick, although I said I wasn't going to say that because then I'm going to be wrong. Okay, and that is what it looks like when we take it out. And the paperwork says that this is the Lottie London Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and yes, the perfect lip color for any season. This berry shade goes with your makeup looks. The highly pigmented velvet matte formula is ultra long lasting and feels comfy on your lips, so they're always soft. The MSRP of the full size of this has a $6 value. Wow, what a bargain. Let me just show you. Oh wow, when it's swatched, that's the color. Doesn't look very berry to me. It looks more rust in person, but you know, with all this lighting, I could be wrong. It was one of the ones that when you put it on, it goes on almost moussey looking. You know the ones I'm talking about? This went on kind of moussey looking, but it's a really pretty color. I'm gonna take that off before it stains my hand. And last but not least, I have a brush, and you know, I will never say I didn't pick the brush. It is a blending brush. I love the handle on this. I feel like I would have remembered that. Look at that handle. Isn't it so cool looking? This isn't much of a blending. I don't know what, oh, I would use it for that. Yeah. I like that it's kind of flat. I might use it even just for a bronzer, just on its flat side. I like that a lot. Let's read about it. This is Love and Craft and Beauty #1 blending brush. Consider this brush a must-have in your makeup kit. Perfect for shading and contouring, its bristles are the ideal size and shape for blending your cream or powder products without streaks or cakiness. And it has a $16 value because it's full-sized. Okay, that's it. That was my OG Ipsy Glam Bag for October. I didn't set it behind me. I've been being so good at that. I got the brush, the Whey Detox Shampoo, the Lottie Lippie, the Oma Mascara, and the Basic Beauty eyeshadows. So I think it's a pretty good box. I'll pass this along, but I'll be trying all of these. So let me know below what you guys think. Did you like your October bag? The bag was so cute. I hate that I'm probably gonna set it aside for next October. Oh, they're even raised. The little lippies are raised. So cute. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. A pretty quick one. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care. See ya.